Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to recover your lost PUBG account. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to open your PUBG mobile on your phone and then log into your account. Now click on this arrow at the bottom right corner of your screen and then click on settings. Okay, that's right. So I am using this account. So if I want to recover this, if I lost this in the future, then I will then just have to link my email address here. So I will then just have to tap on the link option. Okay, and also I can type out my phone numbers. For my email, I will then just have to type out my email, then set the password, and then get the verification code, and then the password confirmation. And also, I can use my phone number to link this account. So I will then just have to tap on the link option, then type out my phone number in here, and then get the verification code, then set the password, and then the password confirmation. Now, if your account was linked to a social network, you can recover your account by logging back in into a specific social network at the login screen. So make sure to use the same PUBG mobile account and not the account credentials for the desktop version. And also, you can contact the PUBG mobile support through the game. So just click on the arrow at the bottom right corner of your screen again, and then click on the customer service. Okay, so here you can just tap on the contact us option or tap on your account and then select the concern that you want to address. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.